What is 0.7% as a fraction in simplest form? Look, just rewrite it. 0.7 times percent means 1 over 100. 0.7 divided by 100. Okay. So look, 10, 100, these are power of 10. 10 to the power 2 means 100. If you want to divide this decimal by power of 10, just count the number of zeros and move the decimal right to left equal to that number of zeros. A number of zeros is 2, so decimal point will move 2 places. 1 place, 2 place, placeholder 0. So decimal 007. This is the fraction. You can add one more 0 to mean that this is less than 1. So we need to convert this fraction. We need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal, write the number you are getting. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, we have to consider 10 as a multiplication. We have 3 digits, so write 310. Okay, these 3 don't have any value. This 7 is a prime number because it has only 2 factors, 1 and 7. 1 times 7, 7. 2 times 3, 6, which is not 7. So this is a prime number because it has only 2 factor, 1 and the digits itself. If you get one prime number either in numerator or denominator, you are done. That is the simplified version maybe. So 1 times 1 times 1, 1, then add zeros. This is this is divisible by 7, but this is not evenly divisible by 7. The common factor between 7 and 1000 is just 1. So this is the result.